This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kemper-Kefauver. The heavy lifting has been done on this home with over $35,000 in updates. New roof in 2023 with new skylight in bathroom, cast iron plumbing replaced in 2022 along with both bathroom floors. New gas water heater in 2018. Has private shallow well and pump for sprinklers. Inside the vinyl privacy fenced yard there is a RV pad with electric hookup. Home features screened FL room west/removable windows and a bright 2-car garage with large windows at the peak of the roof. Storage shed in backyard and work and storage spaces in garage as well as hurricane panels for the windows. Accessible ramps can be removed to and inside the home. This home just needs your finishing touches to make it your own. Living room offers a large fireplace and hearth. Located in South Merritt Island and convenient to everything the island and beaches have to offer. No HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Kemper-Kefauver at 321-501-8836.